Sari Stars. I'm Lakshmi and today is Kalpavastram's 10th anniversary. I'm extremely delighted to present our anniversary special collection of hand-picked Kanjivaram silk sarees. These are sure to delight you and they are in beautiful colors and designs. So let's get started with these sarees. This is a beautiful deep green Kanjivaram silk saree and it has lovely zari buttas all over it. This gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk saree has all over circular zari buttas. The borders have zari and the motifs are Banaras and floral motifs. The grand and elaborate pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis, vanki motifs and temple motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold and diamond jewelry will enhance the beauty of this gorgeous sari. A traditional Kanjivaram silk sari with korvai borders. This one is in a fantastic combination of yellow and black. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of yellow and there are cuttams or checks all over the body. The borders are korvai borders and they are in black and there are two rows of zari motifs along this. The motifs are Rudraksha motifs and floral motifs. The black pallu of the sari has grand zari motifs woven in adai and these motifs are yana, that is elephant, diamond motifs, rudraksha motifs and pakshi motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a black blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This is a gorgeous bridal Kanjivaram and the color is a lovely shade of sea green. This is a grand bridal Kanjivaram silk sari. It's perfect for occasions like Unjal. The body of the sari is a beautiful sea green and there are zari cuttams or grids all over the body. The borders are tissue borders and there is a beautiful row of zari motifs along the borders. The spectacular pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of kudira, that is horses, pakshis and diamond shaped motifs all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Gold jewelry will look absolutely beautiful with this sari. A stunning Kanjivaram silk sari, which I am sure you will love if you are a fan of the actor Rekha. This one is in a gorgeous Yennarakku. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of vintage Yennarakku and the borders are zari borders with Banaras motifs. The pallu is a very beautiful and long pallu and it has motifs of pakshis, diamond shaped motifs and Banaras motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. A diamond necklace will enhance the look of this gorgeous sari. This is a gorgeous Vairavusi sari and the color is a fantastic royal blue. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a fantastic shade of royal blue and the Vairavusi lines run along the length of the sari. Vairavusi is a design in Kanjivaram silk saris which is perfect for bridal occasions, and in this kind of design the zari lines run along the body of the sari all over the length. This gives rise to a shimmering kind of effect and hence the name Vairavusi, which means diamond needles. The borders of the sari have lovely darbar pet motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari is absolutely beautiful and it has motifs of pakshis, mail chakram and gudara, that is horse motifs, all done in zari. The pallu is very elaborate and very intricate. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse. A diamond necklace will complement the beauty of this sari. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage design. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram in a combination that many of us love, pink and purple. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very pastel shade of pink and there are zari lines running along the width of the sari. The borders are Korvai borders in a beautiful deep magenta purple. There are 2 rows of Rudraksha motifs and temples along the borders. The gorgeous deep magenta purple pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a beautiful blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu and the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a blouse in the selvage color. You can accessorize this sari with delicate gold jewelry, diamond jewelry or other studded jewelry. I hope you enjoyed our 10th anniversary collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. You can shop for these saris directly from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, enjoy shopping, enjoy sareeing, and be a part of our 10th anniversary celebrations.